If you're new to painting door hangers, you may be trying to decide which design should I start with. So no matter whether you're watching this in the spring, summer, fall, or winter, I've got just the design for you that you can hang up on your door for a good 2, 3, maybe even 4 months before needing to change it out. And if that's still too often for you, I've got another design that you could use that you hang it up once and then you just leave it up all year long. So buckle up, let's get started. Let's start with spring and summer. You could start with something for Easter, something with flowers. When it comes to summer, we're also thinking about the beach and stuff for patriotic season. So what is a design that you could paint at the beginning of spring and leave it up all summer long? This Welcome with Flowers design is really perfect because depending on how you paint these flowers, this could be a design that could last you all summer and all spring. It doesn't necessarily say welcome spring or welcome summer. Just the word welcome with the flowers is enough to brighten up your door and last all summer long. Now, if you feel like you need something during those patriotic seasons, like maybe Memorial Day, Veterans Day, 4th of July, you could paint this flag flowers design. It's a good one to keep in your stash that you can hang up anytime you want to celebrate a patriotic season. Now switching into fall, I've got this fall pumpkin design. It's just the word fall and the letter A is a pumpkin shape. You could paint this one a million different ways and you could match it with any of your decor. I would recommend keeping it general fall colors if you want it to be able to hang it up from like September all the way through November. This would get you past Halloween and past Thanksgiving. It would just be a good one to hang up for the entire fall season. And then following that, you can hang it up with something winter. So we could go with Christmas around this time or whatever you celebrate, whether it be Hanukkah or even New Year's falls in there. But if you want something that's just low maintenance, you hang it up and it lasts the entire winter season for you, I'm gonna recommend this Snow Place-like home design because it's got a snowman on it, and I mean, it's just really great for winter time. I feel like it fits in well with your Christmas decor. A lot of people decorate with snowmen in the winter time, and this one could last you even through the winter months that include like Valentine's. So you don't necessarily have to celebrate all those little holidays in between. A lot of people don't. They would just put something up for the general season. So those 4 door hanger designs should last you through all of the main seasons. Now, if you're like, Tamara, I don't have time to paint 4 door hangers. I just want to start with one that I can leave up all year round. Or perhaps you're wanting to paint a gift door hanger for somebody that you want them to be able to use all year. I've got the perfect one for you. This truck door hanger design is great because it has different attachments. So what I mean by that is it comes with different pieces that you can put in the back of the truck for the different seasons. So in the summertime, you can put a cute little batch of sunflowers back there. They're attached with little pieces of Velcro to the back. In the fall, we have pumpkins. Look how cute. For Christmas, of course, we have a Christmas tree. And then for the Valentine season, we have some hearts. And then for the 4th of July, we have a star and some firecrackers. What I love about this little truck design is it can be personalized with a person's name, or you can just put the word welcome, or you can leave the words off entirely and just paint the attachments. If you want even more attachments than this, we have another bundle of attachments in the shop that celebrate things like baseball, winter with a snowman, and other small holidays in between. So if you're looking to get started painting one of these, you can grab them at shopdoorhangers.com in a template or a wood blank. If you're looking for more help getting started, check out our free beginner's course for door hanger painting over on our website. It's going to walk you through how to use a template, how to paint the design, and everything you need to know all the way up to the point of sealing it and hanging it up on the door. And of course, there are lots of free painting resources right here on our YouTube channel as well. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to find out more about door hanger painting.